SumDog is an online personalized approach to learning math geared to students ages 5 to 14. This is a look at the teacher dashboard where teachers will be able to manage their students and also add additional teachers. This is a great feature if working with special education or in an ICR classroom so that all teachers have access to the results. This is a look at the student dashboard. When students log in, they will be able to practice specific math facts or math topics using video games. So when they answer questions correctly, they will be awarded coins, and that will allow them to buy different pieces to change up their avatar, to decorate and design a house and a garden, and to also allow them to buy a pet. On the teacher dashboard, I'm going to show you a diagnostic report. So each student will begin SumDog by taking an adaptive test that is going to give them a specific grade level. This student scored in the mid-6th grade range, and the teacher will be able to see a breakdown by strand to see what areas the student in particular is struggling with and where they are excelling. This is great data for the teacher to see any gaps with their students or how to level them. Another cool feature to the SumDog is the ability to enter into math competitions. This is whether it's by class or even by county or a national or regional contest. This allows for a friendly competition for students to practice math, and it will allow them a chance to earn virtual rewards. Another cool fact to SumDog is the ability to align it directly with your state standards. So I'm going to click into a 6th grade standard that we teach, and it will allow me to pull up a series of questions designated to that standard to ensure that my students have understood the skill. Another key piece to SumDog that I found was the ability to practice the students' multiplication facts. This is vital in middle school and upper elementary for students to have fact fluency. This will allow me to either direct it to the entire class or specific students a personal skill that they need to work on. So I will be able to assign them their fact, and I will be able to monitor the progress, whether it's their speed or fluency on their specific fact. For the students, this will pop up again as a different game to play. So for them, it's an engaging and interactive tool. This SumDog gives a variety of personalized and engaging practice to help students excel in math.